Huh. Right. Good morning, everyone. Right. What we are discussing last class? Come on, guys. Come on. Focus. Come on. Come on. Open notes. What we are discussing last class? Ma Bangar Tali. Started class. Listen. 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 Stop talking. Huh. What we are discussing last class? Last class we have started understanding JVM architecture. Tell me what is JVM? JVM is a Java virtual machine. Nice. For the use of JVM? For achieving platform. Okay. What JVM will do? JVM is used for running Java bytecode. What the use of JVM? JVM is used for running Java bytecode by achieving platform independence or in a platform independent way. Java achieved platform independence. Sorry. JVM is meant for running Java bytecode in a platform independent way. Clear point? Next. We have one JVM or we have separate JVM for every OS? We have separate JVM for every OS. How many operating system there in market? 3. What the 3? Windows, Linux, Mac OS. We have 3 separate JVMs. Tell me, can we get JVM as a independent software to install? Can we get JVM as a independent software to install? No. JVM software is available as JDK software and JRE software. We have 2 Java softwares are there, JDK and JRE. JDK will provide both compilation and development, both development and running. Both development and running means compile and also execute. But JRE will provide you only runtime environment. What? Means it will provide only JVM. There is no compiler. What the difference between JDK and JRE? JDK provide both compiler and JVM so that I can develop, compile, execute Java programs, old programs and new programs. JRE provides only JVM. Means using JVM can we compile the program? No, only we can execute. Only we can execute. Everyone understand? So tell me, who are you? Developer, customer? I mean, developer, client, developer. As a developer, your role is develop, compile, execute. All 3 activities you have to do. That means only JRE is sufficient. All 3, I mean, you need compiler and JVM both, na? That means in your system, you must install JDK or JRE. JDK. In your system, you must install JDK. Next, JRE providing only runtime environment. Okay, JRE provide only runtime environment means it provide only JVM. So if it provide only JVM, bolo, can I use it in development system? No, I can use only in client system. Client is responsible for what? Development or running? Running. Okay, he is responsible for running. For running purpose, what we required? Only JRE is sufficient. Means JVM is sufficient. Everyone understand? So, repeat once again. There are 2 people there in the market. Number 1, developer. Number 2, client. Developer is responsible for develop, compile, execute. So, compilation and execution purpose, we required compiler and also JVM. Client is responsible only for running. For running purpose, JVM is sufficient. So in developer computer, we install JDK. In a client computer, we'll install JRE. Is it clear, guys? Right. Now tell me now, latest versions, latest modern web applications development, we need compiler also in the client system. Latest development. Okay. Latest web applications development purpose. Latest web application running purpose. In a client computer, we need what? Compiler also required. Sir, why compiler required? All that story I will explain you later. So slowly what happened? Slowly JRE stopped using by the market. Everyone, developer, client. Both the people are using which software? JDK only. Repeat once again. Even client system also required compiler to run the web application. Then JRE only sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. What we required? JDK also required. That's why what in a client system we are doing? JDK only install. In the modern web application development, either in the developer computer or in the client computer, we are installing only JDK. When only JDK we are installing, what the need of JRE? Are you catching my point? Is anybody using JRE? No. Everybody buying Samsung mobile, Nokia mobile, nobody is buying. The Nokia company still running or closed? Running. Closed, mama. Later again he changed according to client requirement. That's why it is running. Yes or no? For many years, Nokia company got closed. What is the number one mobile company initially? Nokia. The first company introduced smart mobile is Nokia. By copying the technology, Samsung company came. People have started migrating from Nokia to Samsung because Samsung is providing customer required features, customer expectation. Hey, I'm not promoting Samsung. Okay, I'm just telling comparison. Okay, so Nokia is not up to the customer requirement, so people stop buying it, so company closed. Same way, JRE is not using by any person, either a developer or by the customer not using. So JRE is there in the market or not there? Not there. So Sun Microsystem stopped JRE from Java 11 version. Which version? Java 11 version. Up to Java 10 version, we have two Java software, JDK and JR. In a developer computer, we're installing JDK. In a customer computer, client computer, we're installing JRE. From Java 11 version onwards, do you have JRE? No. JRE completely removed. We have only JDK. So if you want to install JVM software or compiler software in your system, which Java software you have to install? JDK only you have to install. What the full form of JDK? Java Development Kit. Tell me now, what happened when I run Java command? What happened when we run Java command? When you run Java example, what happened? Java command dot class file created. Java C creates a dot class file. Compiler creates a dot class file. When we run Java command, what happened? When we run Java command, compiler starts or JVM starts? Tell me. JVM is started as a process. Next, what happened? Java program execution is started by how many phases? First phase, second phase, third phase. That's what I'm asking. What happened when you run Java command? JVM is started. Java command starts JVM to run Java bytecode. And then what happened? JVM search for dot class file with a given name. If found, loads the bytecode into JVM memory. Next, verifies the bytecode valid or not. If valid, then interprets the bytecode and executes and displays the output. Come on, correct my point? Next question. Who will load the class into JVM? Who will search dot class file, load the bytecode? Class loader. Who will verify the bytecode? Who will execute the bytecode? Interpreter. Who will execute bytecode? Interpreter. If somebody asks who will run the Java program, JVM with the help of interpreter. What you should answer? JVM with the help of interpreter. Interpreter alone can run the Java bytecode. Yes, sir. Alone it can run the bytecode, but taking the help of JIT compiler. When it is taking help every time? No. When it will take in JVM architecture, we will discuss. At this minute, just remember, can interpreter run the Java program alone by its own? Yes, but it takes the help of JIT compiler for fast execution. Interpreter is slow, line by line execution. So for fast execution purpose, it is using JIT compiler help. Clear my point? Right. So yesterday I have uploaded 5-phase diagram of Java program development, compilation, execution. Did you copy it? No, sir. Where did you develop it, sir? Array, yesterday I have offline students. I have give you the code link, na? Google Classroom code link. Huh? Automatically removed. Why? I shocked. Afternoon, I have verified only 18 students are there. 145 to 150 students were there morning. Suddenly, by seeing afternoon 18, where you went? Okay. Online students, all you got mail. Did you join Google Classroom? Online students. No, no. Already mail come. Check once your mail ID. Only 150 joined. Still many people has to join. Check your mail ID. Did you give correct email ID to the admin? If you give wrong email ID, then you will not get the link. Yeah, offline students, open your mobile. Everyone join now. Online students, wait. Today, let us everyone join this class. Listen. The email ID, Gmail ID you have to use to join the Google Classroom. You know, right? You want to use any Google services, you should use Gmail ID. Next. The email ID, whatever you have given to the admin, that email ID only will be used to make you available. Clear my point? Online students, offline students, both. With what email ID you registered, with that email ID only you have to join. Registered with one email ID and join with another email ID, then you will be removed from the Google Classroom. All you people understand? Arey, Babu, వింటున్నావా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? వినరా బాబు, ఫస్ట్ నేను చెప్పేదే వినండిరా. When I'm talking something, focus, listen. Google Classroom. అదే చెప్తుంది నేను. ప్రీ వరస్ట్ ఫెలో, అదే చెప్తున్నా నేను. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ. అది తెలుగు వారు హిందీ? తెలుగే కదా. నిన్న జాయిన్ అయ్యా, ఈరోజు ఎందుకు లేవు అని అడుగుతున్నా. లేవు ఎందుకంటే రిమూవ్ చేసావు, ఎందుకు రిమూవ్ అయ్యావు అని చెప్తున్నాను. అర్థమైందా? అందుకని విను అంటున్నా. మైండ్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టో, తీసుకెళ్ళిపోక ఎటో ఒకటి. హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ తెలుగు? 1 2 3 4 5. హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ నాన్ తెలుగు? 50-50. Okay, let me tell first in Telugu. Okay, I will tell in Hindi also. I will try Hindi also. Listen, everyone. మీరు గూగుల్ జీమెయిల్ ఐడి దేంతో అయితే నరేష్ ఐటీలో రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారో ఆ జీమెయిల్ ఐడినే యూజ్ చేయాలి. మీరు వేరే పేరుతో వేరే జీమెయిల్ ఐడితో లాగిన్ అయితే రిమూవ్ చేసేస్తాం. అర్థమైందా? సార్ నేను అదే ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి వాడాను అయినా రిమూవ్ అయింది, ఎందుకంటే నాకు తెలియదు. ఓకే, పాయింట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్? నా ఇన్ హిందీ, ఐ డోంట్ నో హిందీ. సో ఓ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి तुम यूज, ओके, फॉर नरेश आईटी टू रजिस्टर, वो ईमेल आईडी उन्हें यूज करना पड़ता है. अलग ईमेल आईडी यूज करे तो तुम वहां से निकालता. ओके, निकालता. समथिंग अंडरस्टूड ना? ओके. Online students, open notes and write on this email ID. I mean, this Google Classroom code. Yesterday code, today code is different. Write down. This is online. 1 second. Let me DV offline. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. रुको. This is the code. This is O, not 0. Write down first somewhere. Write down somewhere. This is O, not 0. Okay. Everyone join. Online students. use this link to join the class. If you have already joined, don't join again. You already there. If you are already in the Google Classroom, don't join. Your email ID should match with the registered email ID. Otherwise, you will be removed from the Google Classroom. Online students, everyone understood what I said? I shared the link. Click on the link if Zoom allows. Otherwise, open your Google Classroom with the registered email ID of Naresh IT. Then enter this code. Everyone should join. Offline students, everyone joined? Any problem? I didn't upload it. For offline students, I didn't post. I'll post it. Online students, everyone joined? There are some students who done payment not joining the class. I don't know why. In every batch, I am observing this. People are doing the payment, but not coming to the classes. Where they are going, then why they are doing payment? Malum. Now, everyone check. Refresh. Are you still in Google Classroom? Refresh, please. Open Google Classroom and refresh. Bhaiya. Oh, bhaiya. Join అయ్యావా? రిఫ్రెష్ చేయమని చెప్తే మళ్ళీ మొబైల్ పాకెట్లో పెట్టేసి కూర్చున్నావేంటి? చెప్పింది వినవేంటి నువ్వు? రిఫ్రెష్ చేయి. ఉన్నావా పోయావా చూడు. In mobile, do you know how to refresh? Scroll it down. What I can say that one. Just drag it down. Okay, on Google app open, on the app screen, drag it down your finger. That will be refreshed. There are everyone not removed? Okay, good. Now, by evening also will be there. Don't worry. Now let me upload. Okay, currently I'm just uploading. I'll upload once again complete details. For the time being, just I am uploading 2 files for checking whether you received or not. Online students, can you see JVM architecture images? Online students. Already yesterday only uploaded for online students. Offline students, I'm uploading now. Okay. Offline students, please check. All the people receive these 2 images. You have to verify in classwork. Go to classwork. In classwork, you will find the 2 posts. In first post, chapter 1, 2 images must come. Okay? First image open. First image is Java 5-phase diagram. Java program development, compilation, execution, 5 phases diagram. Okay? Yesterday I explained. Second image. No need to go back. Just left scroll. Left side you push the first image. So the second image will come. It's like a PPT. Observe. JVM basic JVM architecture. That's an outer look. When you run Java command, JVM architecture, JVM is started as a process and it has totally 4 components. How many components? What the first component? Read, whatever they read. You can turn your mobiles. It will come a big picture. Turn your mobile. You can see the full picture. Anna. Oh, Anna. Turn mobile, Anna. Rotate screen. Zoom it. For the first top, class loader. Class file, bhaiya. Class loader, bhaiya. Dabba, you have to see, no? Class loader subsystem. Class loader subsystem is responsible for searching the .class files and loading into JVM. Into JVM, where it is loading? Don't see my face. Look at the diagram. Arrow marks is there to whom? Runtime data areas. How many runtime data areas are there? 5. 5 runtime data areas are there. Okay. All these 5 runtime data areas are meant for storing class bytecode and running the bytecode. Currently, how many runtime data areas we have to remember? 1. What is that first one? Method area. Where our class bytecode is loaded inside JVM, stored inside JVM, method area. Loaded by class loader, stored by method area. After storing bytecode in method area, who will execute our bytecode? Interpreter. Interpreter only can work? No. I need some extra components also. All that running extra components are called execution engine. What is that? Execution engine. Sir, engine, is it a car, sir, to have engine? Yeah. In Java, we have engines. Execution engine. Core Java program, execution engine. Servlet program, execution engine. Servlet engine, we call. And next, JSP execution, JSP engine. EJB execution, EJB engine. Engines are also called as container. What do you call? Container. Spring program execution container, IOC container, IOC. IOC is also container. Inversion of control container, IOC. So for every program to execute, we need one engine. For core Java programs and Java SE programs execution purpose, standalone application execution purpose, we have a one engine. What that engine is called? Execution engine. If you want to start the bike and run, we need one engine. Engine is always available down. So same way, our JVM architecture also down contains what? Engine. So the first component is what? Class loader subsystem. It is responsible for finding and loading classes into JVM. Second, runtime data areas. Runtime data areas is responsible for storing class bytecode and running the logic in the bytecode. Third, execution engine is responsible for running Java bytecode in runtime data areas. Fourth, JNI, shortcut, JNI, Java Native Interface. Listen, Java software is developed in which language? Tell me, your body is made up of bones and flesh and blood, na? Same way. This is manufactured by something else. Similarly, Java language is developed not by using Java. Java language is developed by using C, C++ and other languages. So Java is a project. It is a one project developed by using existing languages. What are they? C, C++, Simula one languages, Simula and some other languages also used. Compiler software developed in pure Java. JVM software is developed in C, C++ and other languages. Understand? Again repeating. So we have Java is developed in two languages. Compiler software developed in pure Java, and JVM software is not developed in Java, it is developed in C, C++. Clear? Next. That means JVM software can understand two languages now. Number one, Java. Number two, C, C++. JVM wanted to execute Java programs. To execute Java programs, does it require anything else? No. I want to execute C programs. To execute C programs, we need C library header files now. Those header files has to be loaded from hard disk into JVM, right? Who will load? Class loader cannot load. That loading C programs loading job will be taken by JNI. Who will load? JNI. JNI stands for Java Native Interface. Java native methods. Native ante mother tongue na. What is JVM mother tongue? C, C++. C, C++ programs want to be loaded into JVM and run inside JVM. Then which component will help? JNI. So if you want to run your program totally, I need 4 activities. Number 1, loading. Number 2, storing. Number 3, executing. Number 3, connecting to native libraries. So who will load the programs into JVM? Class loader. Who will store the bytecode? Runtime data areas. Runtime data areas. Who will run the program? Execution engine. Who will connect Java program to the C, C++? JNI. Understood the 4 components? Okay. Now let me also, okay, I will see, let me see, is this clearly there or not? Okay, that notes is, that notes is missing. Okay, I will upload separately, okay? Now, so totally JVM architecture means you have to remember how many components? 4. Now onwards, whenever you are running Java command, immediately, can you remind this diagram in your brain? Okay, Java example, then class loader coming to pick. First JVM, this dabba started. Physical or invisible? Logically background, this dabba started. You have to visualize. JVM is mind look. From now onward, JVM means this entire diagram should come. And then first step, class loader, give the responsibility to class loader. Class loader going into hard disk searching for example.class file. Found. Loading the bytecode into JVM runtime data areas, method area. Your entire bytecode, first line to last line, everything is stored inside method area. Then request is given to execution engine. Execution engine running your Java bytecode there in the method area. All code written in Java language executed by itself. Some of the code is in C, C++. Then taking the help of whom now? JNI. Asking, I want this header file. Load. I want second header file. Load. Who will load that header files? JNI. Who will load Java program? Class loader. Who will load the C, C++ header file? JNI. Who will execute? Execution engine. Who will store? Hey. Runtime data areas. Every time I'm correcting, again you are telling method area. Method area is one of the runtime data areas. We have totally 5. So all these 5 runtime data areas are storing your bytecode. But the main runtime data area is what? Method area. So where bytecode is stored? In a runtime data areas, method area. That also you have to tell. In a runtime data areas, method area. Repeat once again. JVM is a composed of how many components? 4. Tell me first component, second component, third component, fourth one. Class loader is responsible for finding and loading the given class bytecode. Okay. Runtime data areas are meant for storing the bytecode. Execution engine is responsible for running the bytecode by converting into method machine language of current OS. JNI is responsible for finding and loading native libraries into JVM runtime data areas. Clear my point? I will upload these 4 points notes also. Please try to copy later after going to home. Okay, na? Right. Leave half page space. Have you written this diagram also? Okay, okay. Offline students, you have to totally write these two diagrams. Number one, this is take half page. Its notes and diagram take half page, and this diagram and notes take full page, 2 pages. Complete 1 page you leave. Complete 1 page. 1 page. 1 page, not 2 pages. Side by side. 1 page, 2 sides. 1 page. Paper page is same, right? Kada? 1 page and 1 side. 1 page and 1 side. Okay, thank you. 1 paper you leave, okay? 2 sides you leave. Online students, is it understood what I said? Offline students are rocking like anything. What about you? Are you replying to me? Are you talking? Actually, this mic is cancelling the noise. Okay, if this is an old mic, offline students are shouting like anything. That voice also you can listen. Okay? Online students, when I'm asking questions, you should also respond. You should feel you are in the classroom. Okay? You should feel you are in the classroom and you are answering, you are seeing me, you are answering everything. Okay? That's why I'm recommending at least core Java, you have to learn from the classroom. So that's why I plan to come to Hyderabad for 3 months. Online learning is not that much fruitful. If you have a chance to come to Hyderabad for 3 months, come to Hyderabad. Okay, na? Learn from class. You will see a different experience. Okay. Now, let's go to the next chapter today. Comments, identifiers, keywords. I think our first chapter successfully we learned. Okay. Let me show you the syllabus of first chapter. Let me show you the first chapter of syllabus of first chapter from my book. Is everything covered? Anything is missing? I am only focusing on the most important things required for the interview, and the other things, if any 1 or 2 points are there, I would like to share you as a extra knowledge. Okay, na? Let's not waste the time by learning all, each and every nonsense points also in the class. Can you please mention files with relevant name instead of just names? Okay. This is the syllabus, buddy. Complete syllabus of Introduction to Java. Introduction to Java, my book, I have prepared syllabus. Look at that. In this chapter, you will learn work doing in software industry, software engineer skills. Did you learn? This is the first demo class. What is the work you do in the software industry? Developing projects. Then to develop projects, what are the skills required? Number 1, programming skills, problem solving skills, logical programming skills, object-oriented programming skills, database programming skills, UI programming skills, and fast development skills, server-side programming skills and fast development. Totally, how many skills required? 7 skills. Number 1, problem solving skills, logical programming, object-oriented programming, database programming, UI programming, server-side programming, fast development. Totally 7 skills you should have. Then only you can develop, and then only you can become software engineer. Software engineer, nothing but olden days we call software engineer. Nowadays we are calling what? Full stack developer. That is only the difference. Already I gave the list. Problem solving skills means math, additions to subtractions. If you are a Python developer, problem solving skills, linear algebra, statistics. If you are a Java programmer, just adding 2 numbers. Tell me 10 plus 20. Wow, you are experts in mathematics. You are experts in Java. If you are a Python developer, you should have complete maths knowledge. Next, logical programming means write a program to add 2 numbers. Write a program to subtract 2 numbers. Write a program to find given number is a palindrome or not, percentage of the numbers. That is called what? Logical program. Write a program to store mobile information in the program. Write a program to store this fan information as part of the program. That is object-oriented program. Okay. Database programming means store this mobile information not in the program, in the database. That is database program. Read this mobile information from the keyboard. That is UI program. Okay, na? So UI UI programming. Programming, object and logical programming. Okay, database program. All three you learn. Then can you develop internet application? No. Can you develop server-side program? No. What you required? Advanced Java. Advanced Java is server-side programming skills is nothing but advanced Java, Servlet, JSP, JDBC. Okay. Next, I want fast development. Then Spring Boot, nothing but frameworks. Spring Boot, microservices, React. So if you acquire all the skills, then you will be called as what? Software engineer, full stack developer. That is our first 2 days classes. Clear my point? Second, why Java? Java features, complete Java concept, Java learning roadmap. So this is 3rd day. Types of applications. How many types of applications we have? 2 types, standalone and internet. Both standalone and internet are further categorized based on the business. Okay, I'm developing application for one company, then we call it as enterprise application. I want to provide my application access to the other application, business to business communication, then what we call it as distributed. I want to provide my application access to any language application, interoperable. Okay, I want to develop one standalone or internet game application. I want to develop one standalone mobile application. Okay, I want to develop one standalone internet testing application, Hadoop application, data science application, machine learning application. All are what? Business-wise category application. The total main category is what? 2 types, internet standalone and internet application. Types of application. Types of internet application. There are 2 types of internet application. Client side executing and server side executing. HTML is client side or server side? Client side. Advanced Java, Spring Boot, server side. And the internet application means it is available in the server computer. From browser I can access. That program is downloaded into browser. Running in the browser is called what? Client side. Client side, which side executing? Client side means client computer running. That is called client side executing. Which technology? HTML. I send a request, program running in the server only. That is called server side. That side executing server side. Which application? Java, Spring Boot. Advanced Java and Spring Boot what? Server side. So server side applications are Java applications. Clear my point? Next, Gmail project architecture. I explain Amazon. Amazon UI I shown you. Background, server side, advanced, the architecture explain. Old batches I used to explain Gmail, and your batches nowadays Gmail not using. Are you using Gmail? Using Gmail from browser or from app? From app. And moreover, most of the time you are using WhatsApp only, Instagram only. That's why Gmail very less you are using. So I shifted to Amazon application. Then how Java achieved platform independency? Yesterday explained. Java achieved platform independency by using bytecode and JVM software. Next, Java versions and edition. Java, how many versions we have? 1.0 to 21. 21. What the latest version? 21. Editions. Edition is nothing but divisions. Tell me, how many divisions are there in Java? 4. What the 4? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. Isn't it? This is Amirpet Java. Amirpet Java is core Java, advanced Java. But high-tech city Java, Sun Microsystem given Java, no core Java, no advanced Java. This is Amirpet terminology. You want Amirpet developer or high-tech city developer? Amirpet high-tech city developer. Because you want to live in 2 places. Amirpet terminologies you should learn. High-tech city terminology also you should learn. First Amirpet and then high-tech city. Amirpet terminology already learned. Let's come to the high-tech city. The original division of Java is standalone applications development. 1 category concepts are there. Internet and enterprise applications to develop. Another category is there. Mobile applications to develop. Another category is there. Java language concepts are divided into 3 groups. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. What is that? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Okay, na? What is Java SE full form? Java platform. Java is a just language. It's a platform also. Java providing its own software to run Java programs, na? That's why it is called what? Java platform. Tell me now. Java platform standard edition. meant for developing desktop applications and a standalone application run in only one computer. Internet access will not be provided. Next, Java EE. Can you guess now? Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Super. It is meant for developing web and enterprise application, internet applications. If you want to develop Java EE, you have to use. Next, Java ME. Java Platform. Some people say mobile edition. Wrong answer. It is a micro. Micro means small buj applications. If you want to develop for embed inside a electronic device. Embed inside a electronic device, then you have to learn what? Java ME. Are you joining Java ME course? No. You have joined only to develop standalone application, internet and enterprise application. So tell me, all you people are here to develop which type of application? Standalone, web, enterprise application. So which edition Java we have to learn? Only two edition, Java SE and Java EE. And there is a lot of history behind this Java SE, Java EE. Lot of points, almost 2 hours class is there on this. That much heavy theory points, it's a boring and not required at this stage. But if you are interested to learn, I will share one video. Can you watch it? No force. Okay, now don't tell that Argishnas are sharing videos. I already explained about Java EE basic, how much you require. If you want more deep knowledge on the topic, it take almost 2 hours of discussion. Okay, where it started, what are the changes happen, in which version changes happen, why happen. All the theory history is not required for the modern developers. For you people, not required, because you are at the stage of a Java 21 stage. Past history, who need World War II, why happened, what happened, when happened, why you required. Latest war happened, we required. Kargil war required. Okay, so World War not required. So same way, if you are interested, I will share one video, then you can watch it. Okay, totally how many editions are there? 4. Java FX. One more edition is there called FX. If you want to develop more animations in Java UI application, then you have to use Java FX. Totally 4 are there. Repeat once again. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Java EE name is changed as Jakarta EE. What? Jakarta EE. Tell me, what are the latest edition names? Java SE, Jakarta EE, Java ME, Java FX. Clear my point? The next point. Java software installation and setting environment variable. Up to Java 12 version, you have to set environment variable called path. From Java 13 version onwards, no need to set. Automatically JDK is setting. If you install in your company, if you install Java 8 or Java 11, then you have to set the class. You have to set the environment variable called path. From Java 13 version means if in company you are using Java 17, 3 versions you will use in the company, either 8 or 11 or 17. Okay, then you 8 or 11 if you are using, you have to set environment variable path. Currently we are using which version? 21. That's why no need to set the path. Oh, sir, but I wanted to learn. I will teach in the next chapters, because there was theory, people are not much enjoying. That's why I just holding it. Okay, this topic, old versions compulsory I should explain. Now I can ignore it because it's already setting automatically by JDK. Next chapters, I need to use Java P command. What command? To use the Java P command, environment variable I have to set. That time I'll explain what is environment variable, what the different environment variables available, what is the purpose of environment variable, there I will explain. So JDK installation I explained, environment variables I am holding. Next, basic Java programming elements. I didn't explain this topic. Okay, na? I will explain as part of object-oriented programming I am holding. Essential statements of Java program. How many essential statements are there? 3. What the 3? Class, main method, SOPLN. Tell me, Java program compilation and execution process. Already we have understood. 200 common entry questions on Java program. 200 questions I didn't cover. I will cover coming days. Okay, but I covered 30 questions. What is that? Compiler, JVM entry questions covered na? Compiler and JVM 30 questions, and entry questions also we have practice. So the required, for this chapter required, all entry questions, common errors entry questions I have covered. And the next, Java 11 new feature. Okay, what is Java 11 new feature? I can run Java program. I can run Java program without compiling. From Java 11 version onwards, I can compile program without, sorry, I can run the program without compile. Let me show you that point. And we have some more detailed knowledge required that I will explain you more in the coming classes. At this minute, just only one point I'm telling. Java C, name in codes.java compile, then you have to execute Java name in codes, then output coming. So what is the process of running a program? First compile, then execute. Clear my point? From Java 11 version onwards, we are already having dot class files, right? We have dot class file. I am deleting dot class files. You don't try this command. You will delete Java files. Okay. Star dot class in place. You will type star dot Java. Everything will be gone. That's why you don't try, Nana. I am trying. All dot class files are removed. Observe. If you want to run, which command I have to use? Java space. Java space. Java file name I am giving. Java space Java file name, Java space Java file name. Okay na? Now press enter. Output coming. Java 11 version onwards, like Python. In Python you have any compilation? Like Python, Java also we can directly run. No compilation. Python tougher, Java tougher. Python easier, Java easier. Both are same. What you are doing in Python, Java also doing the same. Ante kada? So tell me, in Python people are saying, oh my God, if it's Java, you have to type, save, compile, execute. But Python, you can directly run, no compilation, no zigzag operation. Why you can run directly Python? Because Python is a scripting language. It should be part of another program. You should embed that program as a compile format. No, source code format. Okay. Later at running time, it will be compiled. All scripting syntax. We have JSP. JSP is also scripting. Java script programming. Java server side programming. It is also having what? Scripting style. JSP is a scripting style. JSP program we are embedding in part of what? HTML program. So we should embed in a source code format, bytecode format, source code. Any script program you have to embed only in the source code format. That's why Python has given a chance to run directly without compilation. Everyone understand? From Java 11 version onwards, we can run Java program directly without compilation. But now the point is, either Python you take or Java you take, you can run a program directly without compilation if it is a single Java file program. If it is a single Java file program, you can run directly. Which in the brain key, did you get the point to your brain? Which type of program I can run directly without compilation? Single Java file. Suppose if you take a project, in project we are writing one program or multiple programs? Multiple programs we will develop. Then is this feature work there or will not work? Will not work. This topic, this concept is only for the beginner to feel comfortable. Type, save, run. But going on, when we are developing projects, we have one class or multiple classes, multiple Java files. When I write multiple classes, multiple Java files, is this feature will work or will not work? Will not work. Python also same. Python, one program to another program you want to access, you have to first of all compile it. If you join Python course or ask your friends in Python, are you accessing one Python script to another Python script connection you are creating? Add addition logic right in one Python program, calculator program right in another program, ask them to access. They will say, no, mama, my sir not explained, because that is scripting language. This is Java. In Java, I can write two different Java programs. Addition program as a one Java file, calculator program as a another Java file. I can access this addition program from calculator program. When we are connecting multiple Java files, multiple classes, this feature will not work. Everyone understand? So this feature is only for whom? Amirpet students. Are you Amirpet student or high-tech city student? Amirpet, high-tech city, okay? So Amirpet level, just I wanted to learn easily. I want to run just one program. Complete my project. I am writing a single Java file like in Amirpet forever. Then this feature is useful. But Java means project. Project means multiple Java files. This feature will not work for projects development. Is it clear? How it is working all, I will explain you later. I don't want to touch this. There is a lot of knowledge also required. Remind me after packages chapter. In a package chapter, I will explore more deep about this feature, how it is working, what are the limitations, what are the rules, completely I'll explain. I have already prepared a big syllabus on this Java 11. This Java 11, one feature, it will take 1 hour for me. Other people are completing in just 1 minute. I will take it as a for 1 hour. That much big story I have prepared. Notes. Totally, this one small topic is I have prepared how many questions? 21 questions I prepared. This much deep knowledge, if you want to understand, you should have a knowledge on packages chapter. After package is completed, I'll explain you everything. Clear my point? At this stage, one point only I want you to remember, that is from Java 11 version onwards, I can run Java program directly. Tell me, when I run directly, background dot class file created? No, because JVM never generate dot class file. Na? Observe, there is no dot class. Look at that, there is no dot class file, only we have Java file. Okay, so this is the feature called Java 11 new feature. And next, difference between print, println, and printf. How many print statements we have? Let me explain you quickly this point. What is the difference between them? Am I going fast? If you feel I'm going fast, immediately tell me, okay? Listen, I'm writing class called print statements. Open bracket, closed bracket. Public static void main of string array args, open bracket, inside main method, system dot out dot println, double quotes A. I'm taking first print, double quotes A, double quotes B. Okay, na? Many of you know already. Tell me, what is the difference between print, println? Many of you know already. Print, println, in our academics already you learn. A difference between print, println. Print is used for printing in a single line. Println is used for printing in multiple lines. Correct? Print is used for printing in the same line. Println is used for printing in the next line. Excellent. Repeating again the same question. What is the difference between print and println? Last chair, Bhaiya. Why smiling? I ask, what are you doing? Checking mobile. Not checking. Why? Listen, Ravi. Tell me, what the difference in print, println? Everyone should answer. What is the difference between print and println? Once upon a time, and almost it's 1 year back, there was a video very much spread in social media. There was an interview happening. One person, interviewer there in the interview room, candidates are coming into the room. He asked the candidate, take that marker, write something on board. Did you see this video? Other people who don't know, let me tell. So the candidate taken marker and written his name on the board. He said, get out. Next candidate come, write something on the board. One line he written, get out. Next person, next person, next person. He get tied with all the candidates and having a chai at one window room corner. Then one new candidate came by evening and he looked at the room. There is no person. He is leaving. Then interview called, hey, 1 minute, where are you going? Yeah, I told there is an interview happening, but nobody is. That's why I'm leaving. No, wait. Take that marker, write something on the board. from morning, the interviewer asking the candidate, write something on board, but the people are considering the meaning of something, writing whatever they want. Ante, are they understand interviewer asking brain or their own brain? In interview, what you have to give answer? Interviewer asking question answer, not what you like. Same thing I explained. Print stars. Print your name with the stars and you written whatever you want. You didn't print what I asked. So when you go to interview, give answer to the interviewer, not what you like. Understand question. What is asking? Write something on board. Write something. If interviewer asks question, why you written something? You asked me to write something, so I written something. No, why you written something? You asked me write something, so I written something. If your question is something, it goes something. You want something else, you want, right? That's what I want, right? This is also something else. Understand? Two questions answered or not? So always focus on question. Ready? What is the difference between print and println? Array mindless fellows. That's why don't only watch social media. Only, social media, reels and shorts, if you are keep on scrolling, your eyes only will work, ears only will work, brain will not work. That's why don't follow videos, follow content, read. In our childhood, our schools and colleges used to give books, story books, novels. When social media was not there, all we people spend lot of time on reading books. When you read books, your brain will be improved. I'll tell you one book. Will you read? Yes. Will you buy the book? In previous batches, I told most of the people read that book and have improved a lot. If you want to improve your thought process, you have to read 3 books total. First book you have to read, The Power of Subconscious Brain. What the book name? The Power of Subconscious Brain. It is available online, free PDF, but don't use it. Buy the book. Go to Himalaya bookstall. There is a bookstall. Or go to Universal bookstall, SR Nagar Road. There is a 2 bookstalls are there. Himalaya bookstall is there, or Universal bookstall, or online Amazon paper page you book. You find out what the price here. Amazon also you can find the price. Paper hard copy book you buy. Around 200, 250 will be there, not more than that. Buy that book. Or Sunday go to Koti. Koti second bookstalls will be there. There you go and buy bargain, buy with a bargain. Somehow this week, I want you all people, buy the book, The Power of Subconscious Brain. The most powerful book will change your life. It changed my life. I didn't read that book, but I know the power of my subconscious brain. I have used it unknowingly. And after that, I read that book, I realized I already implemented it. I want my students also implement. Daily 15 minutes only read, not more than that. Will you read it? Then, after half of the course completed, you should finish that book. Then I will suggest you second book. I don't want to tell now. If you complete that book, second book I will tell. Totally, I will tell you 3 books. These 3 books will change your life. The way you have to live, how to become rich, these books will tell you. Okay, na? First one is what? Subconscious Brain. The Power of Subconscious Brain book you buy and then start reading. Now improve your thought process. What question I have asked? Difference between print and println. Then what answer you have to tell? ln. Answer is ln, correct? Okay. Look. Difference between print and println. What is the difference between print and println? Yeah, println. Then what is that ln meaning? ln. ln is nothing but new line. In Java, how can we create new line? /n. Correct? /n. Okay? This /n is nothing but Adhavendra Raja. Okay? slash n. James Gosling has taken one hammer, slowly downside, upside is beating and making it as what? ln. ln stands for slash n. Now the question. Everyone is saying that print ln, print next line. Print in the same line. Wrong answer. Print ln. First ln coming up, print coming up. And what happened? First it print the data. First it print the data and move the cursor to the next line. So that next coming output will be printed in the next line. Understood? Adhyaksha, very important confusion point. Difference between print ln. Okay, print we'll understand later. First understand print ln. First ln there, print there, print. Then first what operation should happen? Print, then ln applied. ln means what? Move the cursor to the next line. Now the cursor go into the next line. The next line property, ln property is applying on current printing or next printing? Next printing. Suppose if I write print, what is the meaning of print? Print in the current line, print in the current line, make the cursor is wait in the same line. So the next output will be printed in which line? Same line. Output is what? A, B. And cursor again waiting in the same line. Understood? Now tell me. If I use here print place, print ln if I use. Tell me all people, tell me the flow. First cursor is blinking here. So A printed in the same line and moves the cursor to the next line. It is waiting here. Then the B is printing here. Now answer my question. B is printing in the next line because of current print ln, previous print ln. Wonderful, super. Previous print ln. After printing B, now the cursor waiting in the same line or next line? Wow, super. Cursor is waiting in the next line. So totally how many lines are printed? 3 lines are printed. Everyone understand? Right. Now, suppose if I use here, print only, how many lines are printed? 1 line only printed. If I use print A, print B, how many lines printed? Only 1 line. Tell me, first cursor is waiting here. What is the output coming? A. Now cursor is waiting here only, na? Then print where? Available cursor place. Cursor is available here, B. Then cursor is waiting where? Same line. So totally how many lines will be there? 1 line. Understand the difference in print ln? Print ln property applying on the same output and next output? Next output. Okay. Now let me ask next question. Pakka you will give wrong answer. Ready? Ready? For what? Wrong answer. Now let me see how. Okay, first let me show you output so that you will get clarity. Save it. Go to command prompt. Saved already this program? Not saved. Print statements. If I go fast, please let me know. Okay. Sometimes I'll go very fast. When I feel you are understanding, I'll go fast. If you not understanding, then let me know. I'll decrease the speed. Java C na Java na? Should I compile execute or directly execute? Shall I directly execute? Don't use compile and execute. That is bakwas concept. Follow our old style. Because that is only beginner. Are you beginner? Che, we are experienced. Look at that. A, move the cursor to the next line. B, move the cursor to the next line. Clear my point? 3 lines. Totally 3 lines we got. Now remove, print. Save it. Now go to command prompt. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. What output coming? How many lines you got? 1 line. A, B print. First print statement A. Cursor waiting in the same line. B, cursor waiting in the same line. So only 1 line. Okay, na? Uday Omkar. Okay, I will teach slowly. Can you please reply to my questions? If you are not replying, you will feel I am going fast. Okay. Uday Omkara, your name? Yeah. Fine. Wow, super buddy. You were replying wonderfully. But why you want to go slow? You are in my train only, you know. Whenever in the train going as much speed, that much speed will be there in your body. Do you know physics? You are replying every question. Nice. Continue like this. And reply fast. Chaka reply along with me so that everything you will understand. Okay, okay. Now tell me, I am using like this. What is the output? AB printed in the same line or two lines? Two lines. One line or two lines? Hey, two lines, no? Print line I used, no? Two lines, no? A in one line, B in second line. Come on, everyone. I told you from the first day, what? Don't use your brain. You are here not to use your brain. You are here to train your brain. How to train your brain? Listen, reply, remember, apply. If you are applying with your own empty brain, wrong answers will come. And you will feel not understanding, sir. Very fast you are going, sir. When you are reply with the statements I gave, then it's the right answer. And tell me, how many lines will come? AB will come in how many lines? One line and one more empty line we will get. Totally two lines, but the output is in one line. Why? Because B is not going to next line because you are used the previous print what? Print. What this print is doing? Print the data and place the cursor in the same line. Then the next print is moving the B to previous cursor position. And after printing, ln is moving to next line. Understood? Tell me now. Tell me now once again for the not understand people. JVM come to this line. A here cursor waiting on the console. First place. This is a command prompt. First place and printed what? A print is leaving the cursor in the same line. Then now this print method print B in the cursor waiting position here B and ln move the cursor to the next line. Cursor waiting here. Everyone understand? Yeah. Still confusion? Next question, correct answer Japan. Okay, na everyone. Last year, bhaiya. Understood? Paka. Now let me show you. Class అయిపోయిన తర్వాత generally being a student, what thought you will have? After class I will practice. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావురా? In the classroom, what will you do? After class, you should not practice. After class, you have to revise. You should go to room for revision, not for learning. You have to learn in class. The moment you step out, your mind should know everything. Outside, somebody asks, what did you learn today? Something told. Something told. In 2 hours, changes our class. You have to tell, today he told me Java 11 new feature that I can run Java program directly without compilation. No. Today we learn Java editions. We have 4 editions: Java SE, Jakarta EE, Java ME, Java FX. And we told Java 11 new feature, we can run Java program directly without compilation. And we told 3 print statements there in the Java. Number 1, print, println, and printf. You must able to speak everything outside of the class without referring the notes. That's what you have to practice in the classroom. Come on. Now compile it and execute. Look at that. AB print in the same line. Cursor going to the next line. Cursor going to the next line because of println with the B. Okay. Next one. Try to answer. I am writing println here. AB available in 2 lines. Totally 2 lines. Totally 2 lines. I am printing B with what? Print statement, na? So totally how many statements? 2 lines only will be there. Printed in 2 lines. Also in 2 lines. Ardhamainda? Understood? Hindi people, what the meaning of Ardhamainda? Samajh gaya? Okay. So Telugu also you should learn along with Java new language, Telugu also new language. So learn small words. Okay. In a hostel, Telugu friends will be there, no? Do friendship with Telugu people. Learn first of all the words how to scold. Okay. First you learn scolding words. Okay. And after go to your native place, scold your friends in Telugu. They don't understand. Okay. That way you can enjoy. Now come on. Now I want you write one smart program. Ready? Yeah? Open notes. Somewhere we stopped our programs development. Today 10th or 11th? I'm not asking date by year, day. 11th day, na? Yesterday I didn't type any notes. Only images I created. Okay. Somewhere we stop program. Remember? Program number 8. Write down. Program number 9. Arav Gupta. Please ping me again after class in chat window. Okay? Write down. Develop a program to print below 5 statements. Below 5 statements. Below 5 statements in 3 lines. Below 5 statements in 3 lines. 5 statements and how many SOP line statements? 5. 5 SOP line statements you have to write. And after running your program, how many lines should be there on console? 3. And what mind you got? What thought you got in your mind? Oh, I should use both print, println combination. Right. HK. First line HK. NIT, Naresh IT. Amirpet. Hyderabad. Best for full stack Java development. Best for full stack Java development. Either pitch message, okay? Instead of taking ABCD, I'm writing just like that. Now, output I want like this. HK, comma. Okay, do one thing without spaces. What is the meaning of Amirpet? Amirpet is a place in Hyderabad. Okay, HK, comma, space, NIT. Next line. That you know now. Then why you are asking what is meaning of Amirpet? Amirpet, Hyderabad. Best for full stack Java development. This is output I want. Try how you develop the code.
Total 3 lines.
Amma?
Total 3 lines.
Program should have 5 lines. Output should be 3 lines. How many lines you want? Completed? Okay. HK you printed by using NIT printed by using Amirpet, Hyderabad. Best for Java. Maybe print, maybe printed. Which is recommended? Println. Because if you don't use, if you use print, then after this best for FSJD, one empty line will not come. The cursor will come immediately to your next message. It's not much readable. Okay, that's why you can choose either print or println. Recommended is what? Println. Okay, let me write the same code here. Below system dot out dot println of double quotes HK. Okay. I'll write. NIT Amirpet, Hyderabad, best for full stack Java development. Save it. Go to command prompt, clear screen, Java C, print statements, compile, execute. All are coming in separate line. I don't want come in 5 lines. I don't want get in a 5 lines, in 3 lines. Then what should I do? Here I should remove ln HK, comma, space. Did you write comma space? No. That's what I'm saying. Focus on output what I want, right?
Yeah.
I said comma, space, add. And next, Amirpet, comma, space. Hyderabad, no. And here you can use either ln or without ln, your wish. Clear screen, compile it, execute. Expected output coming na? Here I got one extra empty line because of print ln. So if you write without ln, compile, execute. Look at there. See this output and this output, both are looking different na? Which is more easy to read? First one. So that's why always last message you print with a println. Hope you got confident on println. Okay. Now I want to write one statement here. Observe. Ma. Printf. This is avaledu. Println not completed. Okay. 1 minute. System dot out dot println I have written. Println of double quotes hi. Okay. And I have written println of hello. Save. Go to command prompt, clear screen, compile it, execute. Look at there, what is coming? Hi, here, hello, because of print. Let me write println, save it, clear screen, compile it, execute. Then hi, hello come in the next line. Okay now, everyone? Now, I want one empty line between best for full stack Java development and then what? Hi. Between this message to this message, one empty line I want. What should I do? I have two options, C style, Java style. In C style, you used to write /n at last. Then tell me, best for Java development is printed and already one ln added, na? Ln is nothing but ln /n. So after this is best for full stack Java, inside println method, this ln will be attached. And how many /n's will be there? 2. If I remove it, if you want to send the data to next line, what it should write? /n. Save it, observe, same output you will get. Compile, execute, look at there. How I going to next line? Na? That means println means the text message appended with what? /n. I am writing ln here. That means how many /n's are totally there? 2. How many lines will go down? 2 lines. Because of this ln, 1 line, and this ln with what? Next line. So totally how many lines will be there? 2 lines will move, but 1 line gap will cut. We'll get 1 line gap. Observe, 1 line gap you come. Everyone understand? Tell me, if you want to get 1 line gap, then you should use 2 /ln. 1 for moving to next line, 1 more /n for moving to next line. If I use a println already, how many /n's I have to use? 1 /n. Ardhamainda Raja? Suppose if I use here print, if you use here hi hello with print, how many lines gap will come? No lines. We'll get a hi hello in the same line. Now I want to move hello to the next line. What should I write? /n. Save it. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Hello going to the next line. I want 1 more line gap. Then 1 more /n I have to use. I don't want to change print to println. Print only. Then how many /n's I have to write? 2 /n's. Then how many lines it will go down? 2 lines. But how many lines gap you will get? 1 line. Understood everyone? Now I want to write same message 1 more time here. Please observe. Hi, hello. How are you? Who are you? Some messages, okay? I want send this how are you to hello, 1 line gap I want. Then what should I write? I am writing like this. System.out.println empty. Empty println I am using. Is it allowed? Let's see. Empty println. Print ln means new line. That means it is equal to double quotes /n only, na? All guys understand? Print ln is nothing but print of double quotes /n. Instead of that, I am writing ln. So now already I have used 1 ln here. Cursor is moved to the next line. 1 more ln I am using. Then cursor will move to 1 more next line. So we'll get 1 empty line or not? Yes. Control 1, control 2. Look at there. I'm getting 1 empty line. So if you want to print 1 empty line, so what should I do? Let me create 1 more small program for better understanding. Class empty line. Open bracket, closed bracket. Public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Paste. Now I want to get 1 empty line. Now system dot out dot println of double quotes hi and system dot out dot println hello. In between I have to write 1 empty SOPLN. What it is doing? Printing empty line. Save it. In coming classes, I will use this concept also. Hope you will not confuse that time. Java C empty line dot Java compile empty line. Now look at there, I got 1 empty line now. Now, if I want empty line with the print statement, is it possible?
Yes.
Print of hi,
Yes.
print of empty, print ln, print of hello. Tell me now. I'm trying to print empty line. Will it work or not? Print method, you are asking print what? Adhyaksha, understood? I can use empty println statement. Can I write empty print statement? What the meaning of the statement? Print what? Not very space. Did you give space? No. Empty. What you are asking? Nothing. So compiler will call you nearer and slap you. Tumri fellow. What you are asking to print? No suitable method found for print of. No arguments. No arguments. You have to pass some arguments. How many prints methods are there? Oh my God. Look at here. There is no suitable method for no arg. Oh, there are so many print methods are there, mama. Look at here. Print of boolean, print of char, print of int, print of long, float, double, char array, string, object. So tell me, is a print method is one method or many methods are there? Println one method or many methods are? Many methods. Tell me, how many print methods count, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 print methods are there. That means how many println methods are there? 9. Plus 1. What is plus 1? Empty. This empty println. So totally 10 println methods are there and 9 print methods are there. So what are the 2 points you have to understand here? Number 1, print method is used for printing the message in the current line. Place the cursor in the same line, so that next coming output will be printed in the same line. Second, println side. Println is used for printing the message in the current line and move the cursor to the next line, so that next coming output will be printed in the next line. Second point, if you want to print complete output in the single line, print all messages by using print method. If you want to print complete message in the separate line, print every message by using println. If you want to print messages, some output in the same line, some output in the next line, use a combination of println. Next point, we cannot call print without passing the message. We can call println without passing the message, then one empty line will be printed. We have 9 print methods and we have 10 println methods. So these are the differences. I will share the notes. I hope you will write complete notes. I'm not dictating the notes in the class today. I will share complete detailed notes, expecting everyone to write notes after going to home. Okay, na? Including differences, println, every point I will document. You have to fare the notes. Clear? Now, let me go to the next point. Ready? Hey, class not completed. What the time now? 10:20, na? 10:40. 40 only. Still we have 10 minutes time. Why you are closing your notes? Oh, I told you I will share the notes, so you have to write at home. And if I use write at home word at the beginning of the class, also you close notes and go. Wonderful people. Then our class completed, no? When I say that's all for today. Okay, na? Good morning. That is beginning. That's all for the day. End. Open bracket, closed bracket. Until then, middles, I will use so many words. Look at here. I'm writing one small program called addition. Everyone. Addition. Open bracket, closed bracket. Public, static, void. Main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Inside main method, I want to add 2 numbers. To add 2 numbers, I need to take 2 variables. Int a equals to 10. So I don't know how to create variable. I also don't know. I by hearted. You also by heart. Oh, if you want to create a variable, I should use something called int. Okay. Next. Voila. Int b equal to 20. Next. Wonderful. Int c equal to. Hey, is it Java na maths? Maths. If you know math, Java, automatically you will get Java ante only these 2 lines. Java means only these 2 lines. Class name, main method, open bracket, closed bracket. That is only Java. Remaining between whatever you're writing, everything is maths. Tell me. System.out.println. Tell me, is it Java or maths? Java. Wonderful. Java. Output Rava. If you want output, what output Rava and output come. If you want output, you require to add maths. This is mathematics. Tell me, in mathematics, you write, therefore, C:30. Remember? Final result, therefore. That therefore is what? Println. What is that? C. Save it with the name edition.java. Go to command prompt, clear screen, compile it with the syntax Java C edition.java, compile, Java edition, execute. Output coming 30 years. What is 30? 30 years. What is 30? 30 years. 30 students. 30 minutes. Interviewer will ask the question, what is this 30, Babu? This is a result. Correct, Alina? It is a result of adding two numbers. Then I have to print that message. For printing that message, you have to write, first of all, system dot out dot println of double quotes the result of the result. Okay, the result colon. Save it. Go to command prompt, compile it, execute it. The result. 30 going next line. 30 should come in the same line, no? Tell me, what should I do? Where I should use the print? First line, second line? Wonderful. Masters in Java. Print of first line, clear screen, compile it, execute it. Now the result 30. Hey, for printing one line, why you are writing two SOPLNs? Do you understand my point? Can't you merge two lines in two SOPLNs in single line? Yes. Bring it to here. Why slash and mama? You don't want to bring any message to the next line, na? Printer, you can write here println, na? After printing this message, I want to bring the control to next line. Println of, save it. So the result, C, save it. What is the output we'll get? 30 C na? Then write 30. Okay, wonderful answer. You write 30. Now, hey, if I write 30, then why you are writing this entire addition logic? Right? Understood my point? So I have to write C only. But now observe, here C is character variable name. You want to use C as a character to print a variable name. Variable name you want to print or variable value you want to print? Variable value I want to print. For that, you have to write it outside of the double quotes. If I write inside double quotes, that will be printed as it is. I don't want to print as it is. I don't want to print C. I want to print C value. Save it. Go to command prompt. If you want to print C value, you have to write outside double quotes. Babu, println will print only one value. But you are asking to print two values. Number one, string. Number two, int. C is what? Int, na? You are asking to print what? String value and also printing what? Int value. How it can print two values? It can print only one value. Compiler confused. Is it a right syntax or wrong syntax? Wrong syntax. It will throw compile time error. Hello, masteru. Either bracket rakho. Bracket expected. What is this extra masala you are writing? I didn't understand. Now I should tell to compiler, my dear confusion master, combine both and print. Combine. Combined in Java. In English we call combine. In Java we call concat. What we call? Plus. Plus. What I have to write? Plus. Observe. Here also I have used plus. Here also I have used plus. What the difference between this plus and this plus? This plus you have used between int and int. If I use between numbers, it will act as a addition. Okay? It will evaluate the values. It will take A value. What is the A value? 10. It will take B value. What is the B value? 20. Then it will add both value, generate the result 30. So if I use a plus operator between the numbers, it will act as a addition operator, add the two numbers, print result. Clear? If I use a plus operator between one string, this is what? String plus any other number, it will not act as a addition operator, it will act as a concatenation operator. What operator? Concatenation operator. How it will evaluate? Please observe. First, it will replace this variable name with the value. What the value? Everyone should answer. 30. Now, next. Can you add string and number? No. This string is converted, sorry, this number is converted as a string. String and put in a double quotes here. Place in double quotes. And then next, it will join both. It become as what? One value. Here, I have written actually two values, but finally it is coming as two values or one value? One value. C is replaced with its value, converted to string and join. Here what happened? Join. First operation is what? Value substituted. Value is substituted. Next. Value substituted. Next. Converted to string. Next, combined. Combined as one. So three operations happen. Value substituted, converted, combined. Now I am commenting all these statements. These are the internally evaluating statements. This is statement I am giving to JVM. JVM will do all these three activities. Go and check once. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Result 30. Expected output coming or not? So tell me, today onwards, not today, tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards, we are entering into logical programming. Logical programming ante performing mathematical operations in the programming world. Once you take variable, I want to display variable name and variable value both. Then variable name is a text, variable value is what? Number. I want both combine and display. For that, what is I have to use? Double quotes and plus both combination I should use. Understand? Everyone? So what is this plus operator? Concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. So first I have printed only C. Is C meaning is understanding? No. That's why we have added what? One message. The result is okay. Clear screen. Both I am displaying for your understanding. Compile 30. Result is 30. Okay na? Now whose result is 30? Whose result is 30? This is what result? Addition result or subtraction result? I want to add extra masala to it. Help me to add extra masala. What I should write? The addition of A and B is C. Correct my point? This is more meaningful. It is more meaningful. This is more meaningful. The addition of A and B is C. Go to command prompt. Last statements are compile and execute. Observe what message coming. The addition of A and B is 30. Hey, what is A? 10. What is B? 20. But what is printed? You want A, B, A and B value. If you want A and B value, I should write inside double quotes or outside double quotes. Write double quote here. Close double quote. This is a text. The addition of. Try to understand. Little complex. The addition of. A is a variable. Should be there outside. And now what should I do? Join. Plus. What is under? Text. Again write plus. Double quotes. And double quotes. What is B? Variable. outside, plus. Is what? Text. Again double quotes. Plus C. Here plus B after also plus. So tell me the addition of A and B is C. Save it. Go to command prompt. Clear screen. Compile it. Successfully compile. Execute. The addition of A place coming what? 10. B place coming what? 20. C place coming 30. So tell me what is a more meaningful message? This is. So if you want to print variable value combination, write text inside double quotes and variable name or value outside double quotes. To combine the double quotes and variable name, I have to use a concatenation operator called what? Plus. Everyone understand? Tell me, do you know C language? C. The people who are coming from C, who are the people? C trainers, C students. People who are coming from C to Java, they're feeling this statement is very difficult, clumsy, and Java feeling very tough. If you learn Java as a Java, no tough. If you compare Java with C, tough. Why? In C language, you learn one style. Tell me, cycle is easier, bike is easier? You learn already cycle. Cycle is no weight and easy. When you come to the bike, that side going, this side coming. But after you understand the balance, will you take the cycle? No, you feel bike is easy because drain, right? Only accelerator you have to use, no pushings of pedals, right? C is a cycle, Java is what? Bike. Little excess syntax will be there, but this excess syntax making your life easier or tougher? Easy. Now, but C people, C trainers, there is no problem with the students. Students are like a mitti. In which shape we mold, that shape they will come. The C trainers not understand Java properly. Every minute, this Java is very tough. Because of job purpose, salary purpose, I am working. From Java 1.0 to Java 4 version, Java not supporting C style of syntax. By understanding this C teacher's problem, James Gosling decided, okay, don't cry. I'm adding C syntax also. Print place, ln place, you write F. Printf is belongs to Java, na C language. The C language syntaxes are copied into Java. In a C language, what you write? No double quotes, no plus, delete. What you write? Percentage D. Sir, what is percentage D? Not understand, sir. Accept that. Double quotes plus B plus remove. What you write? Percentage D. Is colon after what you want? Percentage D. Sir, how can you get these percentage Ds? Here, comma A, comma B, comma C. Abba, wonderful. How easy it is? Easier. This A will come here. Okay? This B will come here. This C will come here. I'm just making it easy for you. I make Java first tougher, then making C is easy. Tomorrow, I will take your decision. Java easier, C is easier. Okay? Then you will shift back to Java easy. Okay? First, did you understand how the printf is working? If I use a printf method, I no need to use a double quotes and plus. I can use directly one double quotes to end double quote. Wherever I want to substitute value, there what I should write? Percentage D. And how to substitute those values? With the comma separators. How many percentage Ds you have used? Those many variables or values I have to substitute there. Close this, save it, go to command prompt, compile it. We will get same output. Understood, everybody? The addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Java-wise syntax is fast. C-wise syntax is slow. Look at there, line by line, printing now. Now, I am commenting this statement. Save it. Clear screen. Compile. Execute. Did you understand the printing is different? It is coming at a time. Tuck, it's come fast. Enable C syntax. C syntax is such a clumsy syntax, tough syntax, and slow execution. Compile, execute. Observe, slowly, line by line will be printed. Did you notice? Between this line to this line, little gap was there. But printing these three, no gap, tuck, tuck, we got. So C style is slow in execution, but still you have to learn. I have shown you. Tomorrow, I will explore little bit more. I didn't explain the difference between print printf. I just explained the syntax. This program I'll upload to the Google Classroom. All people are in Google Classroom now? Offline students? Okay, people who are not there in Google Classroom, stay back, and remaining people can leave. Can I expect everyone understand today class? Today what we have learned? We have revised the complete introduction to Java syllabus, and we learn new points. What is that? Java editions. And then next we understood Java 11 new feature, and we understand difference between print, println and printf. Difference between print and printf, 2-3 points are there. I have to note it down. Okay, tomorrow we will see that. Thank you. That's all for today class. Good night. Offline students, online students who don't have Google Classroom, please wait. Remaining people can leave. Come again. 08 means what? It is an octal number. Compiler throw error. A number starts with 0 is an octal number. 0, 8. Compiler throw error. This is an octal number. Octal number should be start from 0 to 7. If a number starts with 0, this is an octal number. You have to use 0, 7. Then I'll okay, I'll explain the data type shop. I'll explain. ARC ప్లేస్ లో ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్క్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ నేమ్, మీ ఇష్టం. ఇక్కడ ఏ పేరు అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. అపాయింట్ చేయడం మర్చిపోయింది.
సార్ ల్యాబ్స్ ఏ టైంకి అవైలబుల్ ఉంది?
అమ్మా
ల్యాబ్స్
కింద రాక కనిపించట్లేదు. స్లాబ్ మార్నింగ్ 7 నుంచి అవైలబుల్. 7 నుంచి నైట్ 7 వరకు. రిలయన్స్ బిల్డింగ్ తెలుసా? గుడి ఉంది కదా, అమ్మవారి గుడి ఉందా? దాని పక్కన ఒక చిన్న లేన్ ఉంది. దాని పక్కన ఒక సందు ఉంది కదా, ఆ సందు పక్కన బిల్డింగ్ పక్కన స్టెప్స్ వేసి 5th ఫ్లోర్కి వెళ్తాం. I said online students, offline students, if you don't have Google Classroom, wait, I will share. Don't send message. రేపు చెప్తాను, చెప్తాను. అవును, పెట్టలేదు. ఇప్పుడే గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ జాయిన్ అయింది, ఈరోజు షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఆల్రెడీ షేర్. Wait, I'll give you. Fast, move. Why you are slowly going? Go outside and talk. I said go out of the class and you have to go. Completed a Google Classroom join ayyara? Mari వెళ్ళిపోండి fast గా. Boys, Google Classroom join ayyara? Did you join Google Classroom? Go. You confusing me. Nana. Okay, wait. Hey, Kalsoka. Very fast ga. Sainath Reddy. I said leave the class if you join Google Classroom. Don't ask extra questions. I didn't ask you have any subject doubts. Subject doubts we'll discuss tomorrow. First you people leave. I'm not going to discuss any subject doubts. If you have Google Classroom, leave the class. If you don't have Google Classroom, stay. If you have Google Classroom, leave. Rebbe. Join now. This is O. Manish Gupta. First you remove, you are from mechanical branch. Okay. First you remove the thought from your brain, mechanical branch. Hey. Okay. If you remove that mind, then you will understand. Yeah. Online students, whoever not joined the Google Classroom, join with this. Page. Janera. Janerama. Okay. Online students, everyone joined. Still anybody facing problem? Shall I wind up session? Thank you, guys.